Good morning, dear children. So today we will be learning about multiplication on number line. So I hope you must have understood the concept about multiplication facts well. So based on multiplication facts, we solved some questions yesterday, and today we are moving to question number 3 of exercise 4.1. Okay, so this topic is related to exercise 4.1, question number 3. So let us first understood the topic multiplication on number line. Okay, so this is a number line. You have to first draw a straight line starting from 1 to the number at the end that you wanted. Okay, whether it can be 20, 40, 50, 100 also. Okay, depending on the question. So how we have to multiply on number line? Today we will learn about this topic. Okay, so first I have taken some examples here for the better understanding of the topic. So first is 2 multiplied by 3, that is equal to. We have to solve it on number line. Okay. So for that you must be very clear, or you must be very quick in multiplication tables from 2 to 9. Okay. 2 multiplied by 3. So you have to count the multiplication table of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, and 2 threes are 6. So this we have to count on number line starting from 0. We have to start from 0. Okay, 0 to 2 first. Okay, then 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So we have to jump on 4. Then 2 threes are 6. Okay, up to 6. 2 threes are 6. Okay, so we have to jump only 3 steps, 1, 2 and 3. What is written here? Multiplied by 3. So we have to jump only 3 steps, 1, 2, 3. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, and 2 threes are 6. Okay, so 2 threes are 6 is our answer. Next is 4 multiplied by 2, that is equal to. For that you have to count the table of 4. 4 ones are 4 and 4 twos are 8. So always start from 0. Okay, so 4 ones are 4. Then 4 twos are 8. So directly we have to jump on 8. From 4 we have to directly jump on 8. So 4 twos are 8. Okay, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So 4 twos are 8 is our answer. Next, let's take the next example, 5 multiplied by 3. Okay, so 5 multiplied by 3. First we have to start from 0 to the first given number, that is 5. 0 to 5. Jump on 5. 5 ones are 5. Then 5 twos are 15, because we have to jump 3 steps here. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. So 5 twos are 10. Jump on 10. Then from 10 jump to 15. 5 threes are 15. Jump on 15. Now we have to write the answer 15 here. 5 threes are 15. Okay, you can also count 1, 2 and 3 steps. We have jumped only 3 steps, 1, 2 and 3. So 5 threes are 15. Now moving on to our last example, 4 multiplied by 4, that is equal to. We have to count the table of 4 starting from 0 to 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. Jump on 8. 4 twos are 8. Jump on 8. Then 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 3s are 12. So jump on 12. 4 4s are 16. So jump on 16. Up to 4 steps only. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Our last step is 16. Our last jump is on 16. So 16 is our answer. 4 4s are 16. Okay. So first you have to look that you have to start from 0 to, if it is written 2, so you have to jump on 2. If it is written 4, so you have to jump on 4. If it is written 5, so you have to jump on 5 from 0. And then you have to look how many steps I have to jump. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It can be any number. So now you have to look these numbers for the jumps, and the last step or the last jump is on 16 here. So 16 will be your answer. So this is how you have to solve multiplication on number line. Our first question in exercise 4.1 of question number 3 is multiply on the number line, and first question is we have to solve 6 multiplied by 4, that is equal to. Okay. So first we have to look at number 6. So simply we have to jump on 6 from 0 to 6, and then we have to look how many steps we have to jump. Okay. So starting from 6, we have to jump 3 more steps. Okay. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So jump on 12. Okay. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18. Jump on 18. And then at last 6 4s are 24. Our last step. Okay. 4 steps. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we have to jump 4 steps. And our last jump is on 24. So our answer is 24. 6 4s are 24. Next question is 7 2s are 7 multiplied by 2, that is equal to. So from 0 we have to jump on 7. Okay. We have to jump on 7, and then we have to jump 2 more steps. 7 1s are 7 and 7 2s are 14. 1 and 2. These are 2 steps. So 7 2s are 14. Our last jump is on 14. So 14 is our answer. Okay. So A and B I have solved for you. C and D is your homework. You will do it by yourself, and I hope you must have understood the concept of multiplication on number line, and do this in your copy from A to D. Okay. Do question number 3 in your maths copy.